Hey guys, it's Alicia with WTI. Are you looking for a way to make your workouts a little bit more comfortable? Well, I want to show you these awesome workout gloves from Lorpect. And I have to say, these have completely blown me away. So some of my favorite things about these is, first of all, they are very thin, and I have tried some that just feel really bulky and it makes it difficult to grip the weights, and you just feel like you have a lot of extra material. So these are nice and thin. They're super comfortable and they are adjustable with the Velcro around the wrist, which is awesome, so you can get the perfect fit. Super comfy, nice and thin. Check out the grip on these. You are not going to drop your weights, so that is awesome. And these just are great because they help to prevent calluses, and they do give you a better grip, especially when you're holding something like a barbell or using a pull-up bar. These make a huge, huge difference. Now, the thumb and the forefinger on these have the touchscreen material, and it actually works. So it's awesome because I keep my workout program on an iPad, and I can easily keep my gloves on and scroll through it or change my music, whatever, keeping my gloves on the whole time. I love how flexible these are. There is zero restriction in my hand or in my movement, and they also don't come down so far that I'm not able to wear my smartwatch with them, so I love that I can do both. I work out in a garage, which is often chilly, and barbells and other metal objects that I'm lifting are usually freezing, so this really, really helps. It also really gives me that extra little bit of grip that I'm looking for, so I am able to lift more weights, which is great. So if you're looking for a super comfortable workout glove that is only going to enhance and not inhibit your workouts, definitely check these out from Lorpect. Super happy with these, and that's my point of view.